Hello everyone, welcome back to our Java tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to talk about break statement in Java. It is very simple, but trust me, it's very powerful tool to control the flow of your loop and switch statement. What is break statement? The break statement in Java is used to exit from loop or switch statement. When the break statement is encountered, the loop or switch is immediately terminated and the control is transferred to the next line of code outside of the loop or switch. So I'm talking about loop, right? So you understand we have to use here either for loop or we can say here we need one switch condition. So suppose if I want to print from 1 to 10, how we can do. So in earlier tutorial, we saw how we can use the for loop. So let's try to print from 1 to 10. So what we can do, just use for in I. Let's start with I as a 1 and I less than 11 and I plus plus because we are going in increment way. So let's try to print I value. Now you can see, right, we are printing from 1 to 10. Now if I want to print something like when I value is 5, then what we can do? We can say like if I double equal to 5, then just print hello. So you can see that when the I value was 5, it's printed hello. If I will cut from here and I'm just printing at the end of the statement, what will be happen? Now hello will print earlier and after that you can see 5 is printing. But imagine I want to run the loop from 1 to 10, but I want to put condition like if I equal to 5, then let's break the statement. So that means when I value is 5, I don't want to print anything else. So how we can do? Here break is going to play an important role. So in loop, the break statement allow you to exit the loop before it's naturally finished. Naturally finished in the sense like, so by default, it will run from 1 to 10. But now if I will give condition like if I equal to 5, then let's break. So now can you guess what it will print if I will run this code? Let's run. So you can see, right, it's printed perfectly from I value 1 to 4. And when this line came, after that, it does not proceed to till this line. Automatically, it's came out of this loop. That's why we can see here I value from 1 to 4. If I will try to cut and put it here, then it will print from 1 to 5 only. So you understand how this break is playing very important role. So as soon as I become 5, the break statement is triggered. If you want to understand, let's do one thing. Put the breakpoint here and one breakpoint at line number 10. Let's run as a debug mode. So you can see I value is 1, so it will not come in this line. Then next line 2, 3, 4. Now let's put breakpoint at line number 8. Now I value is what? 5. When the I became 5, then automatically it will satisfy this if condition. Now we are saying like let's break. So you can see that after that our code automatically came out of this line number 10. It does not proceed till 12. So you understand how this break is working. So it will automatically trigger and it will terminate the loop. So I told you like in switch condition also we can check. Earlier our code was this one. Let's copy this one. So here we are saying like by default grade is equal to A. In the switch, first of all, A will come and this case will satisfy. And after that, we'll print A and automatically we are going to break this one. So our code will not go here, here or default statement also. So let's run. You can see right how it is working. Imagine let's remove this one. And now if I will run, it will print same. But in case if I will comment this break, then what will be happen? You can see right, it is printing both like A grade and invalid grade. So that's why we need here break to terminate the loop. So this break will play important role when you are going to play with two for loop like inner for loop and outer for loop. So if you have a doubt, try to watch our star pattern, then you will get some idea like how two for loop is playing. So when to use the break statement? Use the break statement to terminate a loop early when a specific condition is met. In a switch case, it helps to stop the execution from moving on to the next case. So in the next video, we are going to learn about continue.